Welcome to a new video in the RICS APC Essentials course. This course is crafted in order to help those who want to get chartered under the quantity surveying route. The course aims at taking the understanding of the different areas of competencies for the RICS candidates from level 1 knowing, going to level 2 doing, and then ending by level 3 advising. In this lecture, we're going to be discussing a very interesting topic, which is design economics and cost planning. It's a core competency up to level 3, so we're going to be discussing level 1 knowing, level 2 doing, and level 3 advising. This lecture is going to be quite rich as we're going to be expanding on a wide variety of topics. The agenda for today's video is going to be as follows. We're going to be starting with level 1 knowing and understanding. We're going to be starting with an explanation about the different methods of measurement that are available, at least in the UK market, and then you can do your own research in the country of practice. We're going to be expanding on one of the methods of measurement, which is new rules of measurement, or NRM1. We're going to be providing an overview about the cost planning in general, and we're going to explain how you will be able to do a cost prediction. We're going to be expanding on the process itself. We're going to dive deeper into what are the main sources of cost data available, and you can do your own research about the cost data available in your country of practice. We're going to be providing some examples for the sources of cost data here in the UK. We're going to be expanding on the latest international cost management standard, which is provided by the RICS, and how we can tackle its components in the cost planning process. And then we're going to be shedding the light on some considerations for QSs to be aware of. In level 2, which is knowing, we're going to be showing an example of a cost plan where we're going to be using the knowledge that we have gained in level 1 and see how this can be applied in a real life cost plan. We're going to be diving deeper into the different sections of the cost plan and see what could we include in each and every single section to provide the different contractual parties with a comprehensive cost plan. And then we're going to be ending the lecture with level 3 advising. And in here, we're going to be discussing a couple of them examples about design economics and cost planning and how you could write these examples in your RICS APC submission and show your efforts in your summary of experiences. So starting with level 1, we have the methods of measurement. There are a wide variety of methods of measurement that are provided by different professional bodies in different places in the world. In the UK, there is a plethora of methods of measurement. So starting with NRM1, new rules of measurement, that is provided by the RICS, and it is composed of 14 main sections. It deals with the order of cost estimation and cost plannings for capital building works. It contains sections for substructure, superstructure, external finishes, the furnishings, fittings, and equipment, in addition to services, as well as external works for the building, taking into account also the professional fees and other development fees, the overheads and profit for the contractor, as well as inflation and risks. NRM2 is focused at building the BOQ. Contractors use it more than consultants. It has a lot of sections, 41 sections to be exact, and these sections they extend to demolitions, piling, suspended ceilings, decorations, pipe works, and lots of other sections. NRM3, it incorporates what is existing in NRM1, taking into account a wide variety of costs: the construction costs, renewal costs, operational costs, and also the maintenance costs. So it incorporates the life cycle costing for specific building elements or buildings, in addition to the whole life costing, taking into account all the CapEx and OpEx, or capital expenditure, as well as operational expenditure for different assets or different buildings or different building elements. There's also the CESM, which is Civil Engineering Standard Method of Measurement, that is relevant to civil engineering projects, such as bridges, roadworks, viaducts, cuttings, embankments, and the likes. It contains a wide variety of them classes. That's the wording that is used in CESM, 26 classes to be exact. It has some classes related to concreting, concrete ancillaries, reinforcement, ground investigation, site clearance, and other classes. And the last one I'm going to be discussing is the method of measurement for highway works. It is self-explanatory. It is used for the highway engineering works, and it contains 29 series. The wording used in method of measurement for highway works is series. The series include descriptions for preliminaries, for fencing, and for the classic roadworks that you would be expected in terms of sub-base, as well as the main tarmac or the concrete roads, depending on the scope of works. Other methods of measurement extend to rail methods of measurement. It has also RMM1 and RMM2, and there are a wide variety of them. Other methods of measurement that are used outside of the UK, such as the POMI, Principles of Measurement International, that is used specifically in the Middle Eastern Gulf area. It's worthy to note that the RICS candidates would have to study and implement a specific method of measurement, and also have some knowledge about other methods of measurement that might be implemented outside of the country of practice. And this is all for this video, which is meant to be an extended trailer or a teaser. And if you want to have full access to the full length, the recorded videos, the notes, the presentations, and the question and answer banks, do not hesitate to get enrolled on the APC Essentials course on the APC Mastery Path web portal, and you can make the best use of a coupon code which is APC35 for a 35% discount. All the best in your APC journey. Thanks a lot for watching, and catch you in the next video.